Today it's still Monday, May 20, 2024. This is the third part for the M275. Currently I'm uploading the second part, alright? Now, I don't remember if I mentioned this. I already put the new gasket here, the O-ring and the other O-ring that comes here. It's not been torqued down because of the crack, like I said before. Now we have new O-ring, new gasket. These are the old one. Where I have the old? It's one gasket here. Yeah, I have it down here. Okay, that's the other old gasket. We have clean surfaces here, clean surface there, and clean surface also there. Let's put also these lines. From here I can torque it down because this turbocharger does have any problem. I don't see any leak whatsoever. I don't see any crack. So from here I can torque it down. I haven't torqued down this one because to remove the other side is gonna help me if I remove this line. The O-rings, a little bit Vaseline, putting it inside and everybody happy. Down this side, the bank one, I'm gonna torque it down to be finalized. Give me a second to put it on, and I need the Vaseline. Yep. Finish also from these two lines, coolant and oil. It's back in place. Alright, being torqued down. This for final. Alright, it's not touching to each other. Beautiful, nice. Now, before I start opening the oil pan down, I want to open the diverted valves just to see that the seals are okay and the membranes inside are okay. If it's okay, I'm just cleaning from the oil and moving on. If it has any problem, we're gonna order it. But usually these seals, they're not suffering. I'm just opening it mostly to clean the oil that has inside. I open first this bank. Okay, I clean it here. I didn't see any oil. I clean a bit the surface here where it's sealed. And the membrane, it's beautiful. I don't see any problem. Spring is fine. It doesn't stuck here inside. I'm gonna put a little bit Vaseline to be nice and then put back again in place. If you want my opinion, do not attempt to remove this pipe because it might break the fitting. This is burnt from the years, so if you try to remove it, it might break. Much better like that. And if I have to remove the turbo, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna just separate it like that. Let's put a little bit of Vaseline and shove it up in place, open the other side and do the same thing. It's a good thing to check it since I'm here. Bank 2 back in place, bank 1, nothing wrong. Clean a bit the surface here, clean a bit wet steps here inside and outside. Let's put back in place. A little bit Vaseline back over here. And everybody happy. Oil pan out. Yep. Now, oil level sensor, sealant. Yay. You can always change the seal. You don't have to put sealant. You change one seal and everybody happy. Oil pan down. The lower one. Alright, Mercedes, they're not using a base color sealant, as far as I know. They're using black, but never mind. And the upper piece here. Now, I said before that I didn't found this ground piece, this one, but it's existing. It was here, it's fine. I have two. And I am gonna install two, not one. Doesn't matter, you can install only one, but two is extra safety. You can fill it up even all around. It's overkill, yes, but better two than one. That's my opinion. Then the grommet for the dipstick tube. Yeah, black sealant here. It's not an O-ring, it's a sealant. Okay, I'm gonna put a new one. These rubbers will gonna be replaced. This will gonna be replaced. I have it over there. What else? I make one mistake, and we're not gonna charge the customer for that. I didn't wear gloves, okay, because I have to go to wash some things. I ordered the oil pump chain guide. I ordered this one. To have an access on this, you don't have an access from down. Tassos, it's not 113K or 113. You see, the guide is from up. so I don't have a way to change it. This we have to take it away from the, from the owner. We're not gonna charge the owner, clearly. All right, now let's start cleaning things. Let's start washing things and move on to finalize it down here. Need to clean this piece, the bolts, the drain plug. Need to change the crash washer and to remove the Teflon that has there inside. No need the Teflon. Need to remove also the sealant from the bolts. Yeah, cleaning. At least didn't stuck something here, right? Yeah, because most probably when they apply the sealant, it had some oil. Good thing for me. Let me go to prepare it, to wash it, and then you're gonna see in a second for you everything nice and washed. Yay! Nice, the videos. And I need also the stupid O-ring for the brake booster. I need somebody from the office to find it and give it to me. We have plenty, but I don't know where they're located, and I'm not gonna start searching 10 minutes inside the office. When they come, they're gonna give it to me. Start washing. And I get the O-ring, I put it in place. That's there, the new O-ring. That's the safe. Why I'm doing it with one hand, I don't know. Well, yeah, let me do it. Finish with the brake booster O-ring. We have a brand new inside. Nice. Then the lower oil pan and the upper one, it became clean, nice. You hear that? No oil, no nothing whatsoever. This one, these pieces here, I tried to sand it. It doesn't go away. This, maybe it had the water once upon a time. Is it from the casting? I have no clue. Now, we have a clean surfaces. We have the bolts without silicone. We have this one for the ground, 2. All right, with the new rubbers, new rubber here, new grommet for the dipstick, the oil level sensor. I need also one crash washer for the drain plug here. Plus. See how it ended up, how it was the previous one. Almost crack. It's by a hair, it's staying there. And if this is crack, it might not even work the oil level sensor. Who knows? It's not gonna be grounded. Let me prepare it and put it in place. A little bit Vaseline to be beautiful. The new seal is here. The old seal, I have it there. All the old parts are here. This back to the customer. This is the Teflon, the old washer, the oil level sensor here, the old one. The old parts back to the owner. And that's it. Now, the oil level sensor, the new one, down here. One cable tied new here because it was broken the previous one, routed properly. The new grommet here. The bolts, the other new grommet here with the Vaseline, not with the sealant anymore. We have one ground here at this point, another one front here, here, another one here up. All right, and I need to tie the drain plug. The drain plug, I changed the crash washer there, new one. Let me torque it down, and then standing by to see what are we gonna do with the turbocharger here. Like I said, it's not being torqued down, the lines, until we see what are we gonna do. That's it for now. Over and out. If they said to me to remove the turbocharger, then I'm gonna make another video and we're gonna see on the table how does it looks like. The O-ring back for the brake booster, already changed it. I'm gonna clean the throttle valve body later on. It is a little bit dirty. It's a good chance now to clean it since it's in front of us, right? Why not? And that's it. Over and out. Let's jump to the CLS. Yeah. Thank you. All the old parts are here. Find one box and put all the old parts, all these things, in one box to return back to the customer. Put behind of the car, so when we finish, to give him back. All right. All this, everything. Over and out.